So, we researched this cave when there was like surface. Yeah, there was no surface in this cave. Or like even nowhere where the area was, where this cave is. But apparently my mum researched it, and it's apparently used to be a graveyard, which is really creepy, and all the bodies were dug out. But otherwise, enjoy the video. When we entered this cave, we were hearing like weird, strange noises, like down that dip, which you're seeing on the screen right now. Just really it's really creepy. Wait, where is this area?
Oh, look, there's a hole up there.
There's a hole. Wait, what's this area? What's this area?
I don't know where we are, really.
Have you got any? There's literally no surface. No surface.
See where I am now?
Yeah.
This is where you go.
Yeah. I'm not gonna go any further than that.